All right, so welcome to the exchange. So, first and foremost, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to give you my opinion on what I see in the stock markets. Looking to the left to see what has happened, then looking to the right to see what may happen. Do your own due diligence. Make sure you invest money in things you know about. If you don't know, invest in yourself and learn. That's the best way you can make money out here and have some security in these markets. So, let's look at what happens to stock markets so we can get a better idea and some security in exchange. Welcome to the Exchange Show. Here we go. This is going to be stock number one. This is VRSN. So why are we talking about VRSN? Well, first let's figure out what VRSN is. This is an internet infrastructure service that includes domain name registry services, infrastructure assurance services. They register services to operate .com, .net, .cc, .tv, .gov, .jobs. So anything that's to do with internet domains, this company is doing. Why are we even talking about this? Well, it's not because I care about it. It's because somebody really important cares about it in the financial market, and that is the guy who runs Berkshire Hathaway, the Mr. Warren Buffett himself. Okay, that guy. He's been buying this up. So right now, currently, it's at 205. Okay, it's right above a support. Here is the thing. It looks like it's going to go up more. We need to see strong volume at this point coming up within the next week or a couple of days. I think it can go at least up into 218. I do have algorithm top at 224. I'm looking for just structure again at 218. This could be a good option unless you want to buy the stock. Let's just say I'm going to do an option if I get into this at all. But that's our first one, VRSN, ticker VRSN. Now, we're going to talk about one more. It's called AI. So I covered this before, maybe a couple months ago. AI is another stock. So say you missed all the AI. I missed everything. I don't have what it is. Okay. So if you're not sure, this company is called C3. Now, with that being said, C3 is an interesting company. Why? Because it is an enterprising AI software provider and accelerates digital transformation, right? Okay, what does that mean to me? Well, all it really means is that C3 is an AI suite. They develop everything their customer wants on a large scale. AI predictive analytics. They want to make sure that applications have AI in them. And the core use of this is going to be for proprietary model driven AI architecture. Even if you don't understand that, all you need to know is there's a bunch of AI in there. And this is most likely going to be one of the stocks that if you miss it, you may be upset. I would like you to take a look at it, do your own due diligence. There is a demand zone here, which may be another good buy area. And that is down at around $29. Currently, it looks like we're in a pullback, and it looks like we have just seen a break here of a trend line going down. If I get a good buy signal, I may be looking into it. Now, an indicator at the bottom is telling me, hey, you need to look for a buy because this could have been in this uptrend that we have. This current move down is a pullback for another push to the upside. So this one I'm very interested in. I will be looking at AI myself, aka C3. Now, this one, I have a algorithm top of about $49 and change. I have support at around $50. I could be happy and take it at 44. Just a quick little one. So if you're interested, do your own due diligence. This one is AI. That's the ticker symbol for C3 AI. All right. So there is one more that I'm going to cover. And this one is a oldie but a goodie. And I'm saying that only because all of us have probably seen this company somewhere. I know I did because when I was growing up, it was everywhere. Now you don't hear about it. Back in the day, it's got what inside? Intel inside of it. So Intel is in the trash can. Oh, it is down. It's beat up. All right, it's getting beat down, curb stopped, the whole shebang. At this point, is Intel a good buy? No, we don't know. This one is something I would wait for. This is one I'll put on a watch list for further down the road, only because it's not guaranteed it's going to go up. Now, what I will say is that when I was charting this, I noticed that in the weekly time frame only, I see divergence to the upside. Hey, and what does that mean? So just look at it like this. I currently see a line down. That's 1, 2, 3 up here will complete the pattern, a W pattern. Now, this also is a double bottom. So this double bottom is here in this area. And also, this is the second touch around there. Now, it touched the $18 range. Not once in a weekly. Once, twice, 3, 4 times. And now it looks like it starts like it's going to go up in the weekly time frame. So I'm looking for this only in the weekly. In the daily, this might be something you got to wait for a couple of weeks before it takes off. Or is Intel going to be acquired by somebody? Is somebody going to buy them up? Because Intel probably has a lot of good equipment lying around the country. They just haven't learned how to use it correctly. I don't know. But at this point, if I look for it to go up in the daily time frame, I'm really looking for it to do one of these, because I'm a moving average trader. I like momentum and moving averages. Where it currently is, I would like it to go right there to the 200-day moving average. That's it. And how much of a percentage would that be? Let's see. If I am here and I go here, that's a 32% push to the upside. I could take that and be happy. So that's Intel. So those are the 3 stocks I'm going over this week in the exchange. If you like this, give it a like. If you like this, give it a like. Or if you like it, give it a like. You have 3 choices. So take one of them. At this point, thanks for watching. Appreciate you. I'll see you next week, and Happy New Year. Hope we get a good start to 2025. And if you didn't notice with Intel, there's a huge gap up here. It's from $26 all the way up to $29 pretty much. So even if we get up here, we fill this gap, you're at $20. It's a $10 move pretty much. Oh, it's a $9 move essentially. So you got a $9 move. All right. Let's take advantage of this stuff, people. All right. So I'll see you next week. Thanks a lot.